Look at the viewfinder, guys. It just got a bit of snow. Everything working as intended. Awesome stuff. I'm freezing here, but I had to check on the tent. Everything looks good. Fuck it, I'm going in with the wind or not. Whoa. Oh man. Oh man. Oh, really not good. Oh man. Damn. Holy crap, guys. Yes. Secure the tent. Stuff is secure. It's freezing here, guys.